why don't we talk about our future expectations? Oh, so you on your way? Okay, cool. My future first lady, my floaters. Hey, baby. Hey, thanks for coming on short notice. Thank you. Baby, I called you here hoping we could sit down, discuss this openly. Don't wanna live a life of never knowing. Uncomfortable surprise of where we're going. See, a change for the worse, baby, ain't a curse. Now settle down, let me explain it first. Despite any fight that have occurred, I propose to make you Mrs. Songbird. Surprised that my mom didn't condone it. Called the wedding plan, I told them to postpone it. Would you feel some neglect and disrespect? Like a Bluetooth device that don't connect. Stay down by my side for the outcome, or become my ex like Malcolm. Girl, I need to know, would ya? If I lost my job, baby, would ya? If I got sick, would you stay down? Would you stay by my side? Will you stay down? Girl, I need to ask, could ya? If I got hurt, would ya? Stay down. If I lost my voice, would you stay down? Would you stay by my side? Will you stay down? A Choqlit Songbird search on Wikipedia said I'm living a double life on social media. Would you believe the BS they gonna say? Like when your friends say that I got twins on the way. They say I'm him from the AM to the PM, from the chat room to the inbox to the DM. Would you be hot and pop like a firecracker, or have my back like a chiropractor? What if an accident left me paralyzed? No more chocolate love, I'm sterilized. Through the week, do you try to sneak and see your ex? Do you send a sexy pic when you tweet and text? If I need you, will you always? And if I call, will you always? Would you announce you're gonna bounce to avoid the labor, or take more ish off me like toilet paper? Girl, I need to know, would you? If I lost my job, baby, would you?